This is a video demo of a 2013 Haas TM-1P. As you can see, this machine is in, I'm going to say like new condition. They did run maybe a few test pieces on it. You'll see some chips in it, but windows are now. We'll do a couple of tool changes. Changer. Now we're running the XYZ, rapid. And we'll do a quick walk around this machine. Chip chute, coolant tank, coolant pump. All the Haas documentation. And again, let's see, this is serial number 107967. It was built in 10 of 2013. And again, it does have the programmable coolant, work light, chip auger. We are going to include the tooling and the vise that is on the table.